All right, we're walking here with the Walk for Homeless in Venice. We got the Thriller Zombies right behind us.
Spread the word, Anthony.
Spread the word, baby. It's going down in Venice. Pennies feed people, guys, and this is what we're doing. We got some great sponsors on there. Check out this banner. And we're here in Venice on the boardwalk. As you can tell, Venice. Hey, what's going on, brother? This is the guy that hooked up my my thing. This is Scott Hood's here. Scott, this is the guy that hooked up my my banner or my chain here. God bless you, brother. So we're almost here to the concert area. We got the Joe Hurt Band setting up shop and the Thriller back there. And Capture Inc. with Shane Ball and Sam. Tina, thank you, Tina. We got some zombies bouncing back there. All right. 50 feet, maybe 50. The World Change Foundation with Mr. Scott Hood. Let's see, stop guys.
Well, the beginning has, you know.
Looks nice, look at that coin. You gotta get you a World Peace coin with Mr. Scott Hood. Here comes the Thriller, here comes the zombies. Scott, are you a zombie? There's Mr. Hood, Albert Bello. Walking with the zombies. We got zombies.
Say no bite.